What's up, guys? Welcome back to Shoreline Railroad channel here on the Heart Rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. Welcome back. We're here. We're on my new iPhone 7 Plus. It is 9:42 right now. Here they roll down the line on a Sunday. Guys, this is pretty rare. Apparently, see that the train is here. People are like, what is he doing? I bet. Well, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the quality. I ain't using my tripod due to because this phone would not fit in it. But we're here at this crossing here on, I think, Washington Street. We got a lot of traffic coming in. It's 9 right now, and we were just gonna go check out there at the Weyerhaeuser mill, and we got around that spur line out there and around that big curve, and I seen the lights flashing at 70. I'm like, Mama, the lights! And over there, my mom over there, she's over there, but yeah. We're here and we got a lot of traffic tonight, so it's pretty much the rush hour traffic right now. Yes, this is my new iPhone 7 Plus. I got it over the weekend, and basically a weekday for the train. Oh crud, what's going on here? I'm not used to this, so if y'all know what this is, like, why is it doing this and why is it not focusing? Oh, there it goes. There we go. Focus on my hand. See how good the focus is. But guys, I am here tonight, and the only thing I don't like about this phone is it does not have a pause button. And here they roll down the line for say. I know I've been here the last few nights. They've been coming from this way. Ooh, I just caught that. That gates are not down yet, but that was a close one. Woohoo! Let's go, Ronnie and Eddie. Ding, 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 ding. Woo! Woo! Woo-hoo! Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and go subscribe to River Railfan, Marshall Price, DDD Trains, all them amazing rail fenders out there. And guys, there goes Kiamichi Freddy. He is rolling out tonight on a Sunday at 9, almost 10 o'clock at night. He is surprisingly rolling out. And we are rolling out too. So, love you guys, and turn your post notifications on. And more iPhone 7 Plus videos will be coming soon. See that? There's the iPhone right there. Bye, y'all.